In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this transition. So this transition is pretty easy to create in Premiere Pro. I'm going to show you under 2 minutes. So first, I'm going to need 2 videos, of course, create a transition. And then we're going to need this background. I grabbed this background from this website for this project. You can get it from here. And I'll leave the link in the description of this video. And then what you're going to need to do, just look here in Effects. We're going to see this effect, drag and drop this effect on the video that it's between this writer is in the middle right over here. Just put it over there, and then here in After Effects Controls, we're gonna see track effect, track matte key we have this effect on this video. And then here matte, select video tree, which is our background over here, and then we're gonna select matte luma here, and we have the effect. Now if you like to invert this effect, you can actually do it. You just need to click right over here and select reverse. And that's pretty much what you need to do. It's very simple. I hope you're going to find this helpful, and thanks for watching.